Do you need to send a fax but not sure where to start? Don't worry, you're not alone. Even in our digital age, faxes are still a must for securely sharing important documents, especially in business. The good news? Faxing with your Kyocera 4 series is super easy once you know the steps. By the end of this video, you'll be faxing like a pro without breaking a sweat. Let's dive in and get your fax flying. Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Copy. First things first, let's make sure your Kyocera 4 series is all set up and ready to go. You need to check that it has a fax system installed. If so, make sure it's connected to a phone line. This is crucial because without this connection, no fax is going anywhere. Just plug the phone line into the port labeled line at the back of your machine. Now, you'll need the document you want to fax. It can be a single page or multiple pages. The Kyocera 4 series can handle both with ease. Just place your document face up in the document feeder at the top of the machine. Make sure the pages are aligned and not all crumpled. Next up, you need to enter the fax number of the person or business you're sending your document to. It's as simple as dialing a phone number. Use the keypad on the machine to type in the number. Double check it to avoid sending your fax to the wrong person. Trust me, that can be super awkward. Pro tip, if the number you're sending to is long distance, don't forget to add the area code before the number. All right, you're almost there. Once you've got the number in, hit the green Start button. The Kyocera 4 series will start scanning your document and send it over the phone line to the recipient. You'll see a message on the screen saying, Sending. After the document is sent, the machine will print out a confirmation page. This is your proof that the fax went through. If there's a problem, don't panic. The machine will let you know and you can try again. And that's it. You've just sent your fax with the Kyocera 4 series. Now you can handle any faxing needs that come your way, and you won't have to call IT every time, although AIS is always here if you need us. If this video helped you out, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips on getting the most out of your office tech. Got any questions? Give us a call or visit our website ais-now.com. And remember, you can worry less with AIS.